In front of me is Alcatel A3, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So starting off, I'm just gonna lock the device so I don't touch the display. And what you wanna do is on the bottom right corner of the device, you will have this little kind of notch where you can squeeze your fingernail and pull off the cover. Now I already pulled it off primarily, as you can see, it's kind of coming off all around. It's fairly difficult to get it off, so I did it previously so I don't have to struggle on the camera. And then you just want to pull it off like so. Now try not to force it, just kind of wherever the cover is holding, just pry it with your finger or something flat in there so it kind of snaps off in that specific area instead of like trying to pull the cover in the opposite side. And then as you can see, once you take it off, on the back you have the 2 SIM trays and then 1 SD tray. And all you need to do is just take the card like so and slide it in here. It goes all the way, and then the same thing goes with the SIM cards, and you get also a little image on here, kind of engraved, so you know how you're supposed to put it in. And basically the cutout on the SIM card is in the upper right corner, so basically the way I'm putting it right now in. Just gonna put in both of the cards. And like so. And now you can just flip it over. And I'm pretty sure, I think both of these cards have some kind of pin, so I will need to confirm it. So first one. Yeah, so only one had a pin, and then as you can see also the SD card is also being read, but because the cards are polished, the language got changed. But it basically asks me if I want to make the SD card as a default storage. I just declined it. But as you can see, both of these are working, and that's basically how you'd insert it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.